Hey, what is up guys? So the Realme X50 is here. We can see the first 5G smartphone from the Realme X50 is a good device. Today we talk about the Realme X50, the first 5G smartphone. Realme X50 teaser confirmed that the company as a first 5G smartphone launch. Realme has finally started testing its first 5G enabled smartphone, call it the Realme X50. It will be unveiled in China in the coming month with the new design. Back in June, the company's CEO Madhav City confirmed the Realme is working on bringing a 5G capable smartphone to the market towards the end of this year. No other detail were shared, but it seems like we are finally close to unveiling. Zhu Qiqi, the CMO of the Chinese arm, confirmed that this 5G smartphone will be called the Realme X50 and will make its debut in China in the coming weeks. He also shared a very similar looking teaser image which give you as a few more detail about the upcoming Realme X50. Firstly, it will support both standalone and non-standalone. Standard for sub-6 GHz 5G network for improved connectivity in place where 5G infrastructure may not be sufficient. The teaser also showed the silhouette for the device, which show a dual punch hole display with the camera placed in the left corner. It will make the Realme X50 the first smartphone from the brand and sport a punch hole display. Realme had also previously confirmed that it will be one of the first manufacturers to bring Qualcomm 5G SoC powered device to in India in 2020. The rest of the specifications are not yet known, but Realme did confirm that it will be one of the first OEM to implement Qualcomm upcoming 5G enabled Snapdragon SoCs. It is very likely to be powered by Snapdragon 735, which will be its first non-flagship 5G chipset, which is a big part for Qualcomm plans for 2020. The chipset, along with the Snapdragon 865, will be detailed next week at the Snapdragon Summit. Interestingly, the Redmi K30 is also going to be unveiled in December as Xiaomi's first mid-range 5G smartphone, which will also come with a dual punch hole display. The significant difference here could be the MediaTek MT 6885 SoC will instead power it. In upcoming days, we can see more detail about Realme X50 and its some other specs details. So hope you like this video and this phone also, and let me know your thought in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe for more tech related news and hit that bell icon enable for latest notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.